In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a flyer in Canva, 5 minutes. First, open Canva and use the search bar to look for flyer or business flyer. This helps you start with the right dimensions immediately. If you're planning to print, choose a standard size like US letter or A4. If it's for digital sharing, any flyer size will work, but landscape or square formats may be better for social posts. Next, either pick a template or start with a blank canvas. Templates are great time savers, especially if you're new to design. Choose one that matches your purpose and mood. You can always change colors, images, and fonts. If you prefer full control, a blank canvas gives you a clean slate. Click a template to load it. From here, everything on the page is editable. Click text to rewrite it, swap images, and move elements around. If an image doesn't fit your message, delete it or replace it with something more relevant. Open the Elements tab to add backgrounds, shapes, lines, and frames. Shapes like rectangles are perfect for color blocks behind text, helping important information stand out. Try adjusting transparency to create depth without clutter. Frames let you drop images into specific shapes for a clean, polished look. Use the position options to send items forward or backward when layering. Edit your text by selecting the text box, then change the font, size, color, and alignment. Keep a clear hierarchy, a bold headline, a readable subheading, and smaller details. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 fonts to keep the design consistent. Left-aligned body text is easier to read, and a bit of extra line spacing can make small text more legible. To bring in visuals, go to Uploads to add your own images, or search photos and elements for stock options. Drag images onto your design, crop if needed, and resize while holding Shift to avoid stretching. Aim for high-quality images and consistent styling. Search for icons and elements and place them near your contact details to guide the eye. Think location pins, envelope symbols, or web icons. Keep icon styles consistent and align them neatly with your text. Finally, refine your design. Check spacing, alignment, and contrast. Make sure nothing sits too close to the edges if you plan to print. Proofread everything. When you're happy, click Download. Choose PDF print for professional printing or PNG, JPG for digital sharing. You can also share a link directly from Canva if you're collaborating or collecting feedback. And that's it, your flyer is ready to go.